Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please.
Thank you.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How much is this?
It's $5.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.